Well, Keenan, the Biden administration already has appeals in the works on this, so there's a chance they could be granted a stay as this works its way through the legal process. In the meantime, local rental advocates warning people not to panic and not to leave your home, even if you're behind on rent or utilities.
Housing is not a luxury.
And lack of it, renter advocates say, is a public health crisis affecting not just renters, but everyone. Yesterday, a federal judge in D.C. ruled the CDC doesn't have the power to issue a nationwide eviction pause, which was supposed to last through June, the moratorium first enacted under the Trump administration.
What may end up happening in the next few days is a bit of a, obviously valid panic and watching out for things like misinformation that gets passed on to tenants that could result in people self-evicting. And self-evicting means you may be pressured by your landlord to move out. You may feel like you are supposed to move out if you owe quite a bit of back rent. But unless you're actually taken to court and have due process take place in court, you don't have to leave your rental unit.
How best to help both landlords and tenants has been a challenge during COVID. There's been a handful of efforts at the state and federal level, all temporary. Governor Whitmer pressed pause on evictions at the state level early on in the pandemic, but that order was void after a state Supreme Court ruling stripped many of her executive orders. Then enter the eviction diversion program, which offered $50 million in rental aid, but that only went so far, explains attorney Matthew Pallitz.
And it ran out at the end of 2020. It was operated county-driven. Some counties did better than others.
Pre-pandemic, Michigan landlords filed almost 200,000 eviction cases. That's one eviction case filed for every 6 rental units in the state. A 2018 study by U of M shows Michigan's eviction filing rate was noticeably higher than those reported elsewhere in the Midwest and the country. Metro Detroit cities where the rate was highest: Romulus, Inkster, Taylor, Southfield, and Pontiac. This latest federal ruling, while stirring panic for those behind on their rent, seen as a win for property owners and landlords.
You don't get to go to the grocery store, pick out what you want and say, I'm good. Why should rental housing be any different?
So what this ruling will actually mean, that still remains to be seen, depending on whether or not an appeal is filed and whether or not a stay is granted. But in the meantime, here's some things you should keep in mind if you are a renter and if you are concerned about an eviction. You cannot be forced from your home without receiving an eviction notice in the mail. That's something to be aware of. Now, if you are given a court summons, it's important that you do show up. There are several local resources for you, including here at the United Community Housing Coalition. We're standing right in front of it. There's a couple numbers I want to put up on your screen for you. These are resources available locally. 313-293-7790. That's the number here at the United Community Housing Coalition. Their website also on your screen there. There's also Michigan Legal Help and the United Way of Southeastern Michigan. We, of course, will post all of these resources online for you at WXYZ.com. We're live this morning in Detroit. Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.